Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Motorola Moto G5S, and first you have to open Sound Recorder, so you will be able to find it in your smartphone in your menu. And if you don't have this application, like in my case, you have to go for Play Store, and we are going to get one of this app. So tap on search pool and type Recorder. Let's get one of these applications, for example this one, the voice recorder. Click install. Right now let's open. Accept all of the permissions and then click right here to start the record. So right now we can finish and just check the quality. So click here the second time. Right now you are also able to rename your record. Then click OK to save it. And right now let's check the quality. Of course, turn off this ad, click here, start the record. So right now we can finish and just check the quality. And as you can hear, the quality is very good on the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.